Good morning, students. Today we are going to studying about the trigonometric identity, which is the last topic of your chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. To proving the trigonometric identities, we are taking a triangle ABC, which is right angle at B. Then, in this right angle triangle, which is right angle at B, then the value of trigonometric ratios in terms of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec angles are. So, in right angle triangle, the value of sine A equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now, clearly, in this triangle, BC is the perpendicular, AC is the hypotenuse, and AB is the base. So, the value of sine A is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is equals, implying that sine A equals to is BC upon AC. Cos A equals to base upon hypotenuse, which is implying that cos A equals to AB upon AC. Tan A is equals to perpendicular upon base, which is implying that tan A equals to BC upon AB. And cot A, which is the reciprocal of tan A. So the value of cot A equals to, we are just taking the reciprocal of tan A. So it is AB upon BC. Cosec A is the reciprocal of sine function, that is 1 upon sine A, that is equals to, implying that cosec A equals to AC upon BC, and sec A is a reciprocal of cos function, that is 1 upon cos A, then the value of sec A equals to AC upon BC. So here we have to finding out the trigonometric functions in terms of their side ratio. Now we are using these 6 trigonometric ratios to proving the trigonometric identity. Now look at, in this right angle triangle, we are applying the Pythagoras theorem. Then by Pythagoras theorem, the square of base plus square of perpendicular is equals to square of hypotenuse, that is AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. This is our equation number 1. Now we have to dividing this equation 1 by AC square. Then we get equation 1 is implying that AB square upon AC square plus BC upon AC square and AC upon AC square. So here AC square and upon AC square is cancelled out and it is equals to 1. And we can written down this AB square upon AC square is AB upon AC whole square plus BC square upon AC square can be written down BC upon AC whole square. Now, from these trigonometric ratios, we have to finding out here the value of AB upon AC. The value of AB upon AC equals to cos A. So we have to replacing AB upon AC by cos A whole square plus, and BC upon AC equals to, and BC upon AC equals to sine A. So we are replacing here sine A whole square equals to 1. We can written down, we are off this bracket, and we can written down it is cos square A plus sine square A equals to 1, which is the first trigonometric identity. And clearly here this angle A, which is acute here, is lies between 0 to 90 degree. It is true for all value of A lies between 0 and 90 degree. Now we are dividing equation 1 by AB square and we get, so equation 1 is implying AB square upon AB square plus BC upon AB square equals to AC upon AB square. So here the first term is AB square upon AB square equals to 1 plus BC upon AB whole square equals to AC upon AB whole square. Now we are replacing the values of these ratios BC upon AB and AC upon AB. From here, where is the BC upon AB? Here it is. BC upon AB, it is equals to tan A, and AC upon AB equals to sec A. So we are replacing the values of BC by AB equals to tan A whole square equals to AC upon AB is sec A whole square, which is implying that of the bracket, and it becomes 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A, and this identity is true for angle A, which is lies between 0 is less than or equals to A and less than 90 डिग्री. तो लेस देन 90 डिग्री क्यों लेते हैं? क्योंकि tan 90 की जो वैल्यू होती है वो क्या होती है? tan 90 is equals to sin 90 upon cos 90. तो cos sin 90 1 and cos 90 is 0. So it is infinite हो जाएगा वैल्यू. तो इसलिए इसकी वैल्यू जो है 90 डिग्री से कम लेंगे. चलिए लास्ट आइडेंटिटी जो है उसको प्रूव करते हैं. Also we have dividing the equation 1 by BC square, and we get AB upon BC square plus BC upon BC square equals to AC upon BC square. Then AB upon BC square BC whole square plus 1 is equals to AC upon BC whole square. Now we are replacing the value of AB and BC and AC upon BC. So what is the value of AB upon BC? From here the value of AB upon BC is cot A, and the value of AC upon BC equals to cosec A. So we are replacing here. The value of AB upon BC is cot square A plus 1 equals to cosec A whole square, and finally it becomes cot square A plus 1 equals to cosec square A. This is our third identity, and here the value of the angle is lies between 0 is less than A is less than or equals to 90 degree. This is all about the trigonometric identities which we are proving in a right angle triangle. And the exercise 8.4, which is based on these trigonometric identities, one by one we are going to simplifying the problems from the exercise 8.4 by using these identities. Cos square A plus sin square A equals to 1. The first one, tan square A, tan square A plus 1, or 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A, and the third one is cot square A plus 1 equals to cosec square A. We are using these identity to solving or simplifying the problems from exercise 8.4. Thank you.